आपका टूर रहा था उसका
नहीं, मेरा सिर्फ वियना का टूर नहीं था. आई ऑल्सो वेंट फर्स्ट टू आयरलैंड पहले था, नॉर्वे. आई वेंट टू बर्गन एंड ऑस्लो. Then I went after that to the OPEC seminar in Vienna. That was the first time that India was invited to the OPEC seminar. It's basically a meeting of the OPEC countries. We know the OPEC plus countries. But, considering that we are now one of the largest consumers of crude oil in the world, it makes sense for us to be there. Now, after that, I went to Iceland. So covering 5 places in 7 days, but it was very useful. I have, of course, put out information on all these 3 countries visited, and we were able to focus essentially on the E&P sector. For instance, Iceland is very strong on geothermal, or we have also and we have ongoing collaborations with them also. But the advantage of going and talking to the private sector there, of identifying future work that can be done, and also, as you know, that we do an India Energy Week. We started this 3 years ago, and today we are in the happy situation that it's already become the second largest energy platform after EDIPEC. But then EDIPEC deals with, oil and gas, whereas we deal with all forms of energy, including biofuels. We deal with green hydrogen. So I would like personally to encourage the addition of geothermal to this as well. So all in all, very productive.